all of you to 2026 Hausland-Cifa Cup.
Opisyal lang sinimulan ang Hausland-Cifa Cup 2026 Football Festival ngayong March 28 sa The Villages at Global Clark sa pangunguna ng Hausland Holdings Incorporated at Clark International Football Academy o Cifa. The two-day tournament, which runs until March 29, gathered over 120 teams from different parts of the country. Organizers expect more than 3,500 athletes, coaches, and supporters daily, proving the event status as one of the most anticipated youth sports gatherings. Pinangunahan ni Hausland CEO Attorney Christopher Ryan Tan at Cifa President Alexander D. Reyes ang ceremonial kick-off. Sa programa, muling pinagtibay ng Hausland ang suporta nito sa pamamagitan ng financial assistance para sa year-long training programs ng Cifa at operasyon ng torneo.
The significance of games like this is basically to do just that. To teach leadership and resilience among our young. Kayong mga bata, that young as you are, when you battle it out in the fields, when it is very hot, or when it becomes too difficult a challenge for you, ma-injure man, o mainitan, o masaktan, when you fall, you stand. When it is difficult, we fight. And this is exactly the message and the significance that we want to communicate.
Ayon kay Tan, ang pag-invest sa sports ay direktang pag-invest sa kabataan at sa future leaders ng bansa.
As a community Hausland, a Hausland is there to support specifically the football community because at the end of the day, we are able to teach our kids the value of leadership and the value of resilience.
Beyond sponsorship, Hausland also invested in infrastructure through its U-Grounds brand, developing 2 tournament-grade football fields in Timog Triangle, Friendship Highway, Angeles City to provide high-quality facilities for training and competitions. Nagpasalamat naman si D. Reyes sa Hausland at iginiit na malaking tulong ang kanilang suporta, lalo na sa pondo at pasilidad para sa patuloy na paglago ng football sa Pampanga.
With the U grounds, we already have another field in U grounds, which kana attorney, no. So we're planning to put up a training center there for the Cifa kids. So there's gonna be a site here in Clark and another site in Timog Triangle.
Despite economic challenges, Hausland reaffirmed its commitment to delivering quality housing under its brand's Fiesta, the Hausland, and you, while continuously supporting community-centric initiatives like the Cifa Cup.
We're very excited to have you with us this weekend. We have over 85 teams here today, so we expect a very competitive tournament. Play your hearts out, make sure you stay hydrated, eat some good food, have fun, make memories. So again, thank you. Have a great tournament.
This is Patricia Mamangun on the spot.